In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Odysseus in 2026, step by step. Once Odysseus is installed, the first thing you need to do is open it in your browser by going to localhost on port 7000. From there, log in with your admin account so you can access the full dashboard and settings. This is your starting point for everything else, so make sure you can sign in successfully before moving on. After that, the next important step is connecting an AI model. Odysseus needs a model before it can respond to prompts, generate content, or work with your files. You can connect a provider such as Olema if you want a local and free option, or use cloud-based providers like OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, or OpenRouter. To do this, go to Settings, then Models, then Add Provider. From there, choose the provider you want and complete the connection. If Odysseus doesn't seem ready to answer questions yet, this is usually the first place to check. Once your model is connected, you can start your first chat, click New Chat, and type in a prompt. For example, you could ask it to summarize an article, create a content calendar for your business, or write a promotional social media post. In many ways, Odysseus feels similar to other AI chat tools, but one of its strengths is that it can work more deeply with files, tools, and agents. Next, you can upload documents to give Odysseus more context. It supports files like PDFs, Word documents, text files, and notes. After uploading, you can ask it to summarize the file, identify key points, or create a presentation outline based on the content. This is especially useful when you want answers that are grounded in your own material instead of relying only on general knowledge. Another powerful feature is deep research. Here, you can provide sources such as URLs, PDFs, notes, or other documents, and then ask Odysseus to compare competitors, research a market, or create a business report using those materials. The benefit of this feature is that it can generate structured output and include source references, which makes the results much more useful for analysis and reporting. You can also use agents for more advanced multi-step tasks. For example, you might ask an agent to research trends and create a report, analyze uploaded files, and generate action items, or turn a document into social media content. Agents are designed to handle more complex workflows by using tools, memory, and files together. Finally, you can save notes and memory inside Odysseus. This includes project notes, business information, instructions, and research findings. Doing this helps the platform keep context across conversations and projects, which can save time and make future responses more relevant and consistent.